Hello and welcome to Mr. TripAdvisor. Well, today we're in a typical room now, the standard sort of room that you get in a village hotel. This one's in Portsmouth. Now, if you're very claustrophobic, they are quite compact. So you have a bed and you have a loo and a shower at the end there with a button to make that opaque or clear glass. So we quite like them. This time of year you can probably stay here for around £49 a night. It's that sort of thing, and you can add breakfast in, currently half price, so that's about £6.25, something like that. In the summer you'll find there's all sorts of other deals they do where you stay for £99, that sort of thing, but you get a £50 credit for food and drink on your room, so price usually stays around the same. Car parking is free as long as you join their club, as is a very impressive pool and gym. So you can see you get a high-res telly, you get a really comfortable bed, it's okay. Next to you you've got your normal light switches and you've got USB sockets you can plug all the bits into. You do have an ironing board and an iron, but that is your total wardrobe space. So you've got half a dozen hangers there, that is it, there is no more space. You've got a few bedside drawers. You have a Dyson fan which you can use to heat the room. The room does have air conditioning, so if it's hot in the summer you're okay. There's nowhere really obvious to put your bags. We tend to either take them back to the car or try and stuff them under the beds. You have got coffee making here, coffee and tea making, and you do have an Alexa, although I've always found it's been programmed to German or Spanish or some weird American state. You can never really get them to work or reset them, but if you're an expert in Alexa usage, that's there for you. Let's have a little wander then into the very compact bathroom. So it is a really good shower. We've got your drenched shower and a normal shower there. You've got shampoo and conditioner, and even for a big tall lanky bloke like me, the shower is big enough. But again, it's all pretty compact. You've really got any views, but you can pull down a roller blind there just to black that out and stop anyone looking at you if you think they are through the window. Thank you. So I'm going to sit down and watch a bit more with Perot there. Please like, share and subscribe, and check out lots of other hotel rooms that there is available on this channel. Any questions, send them below and I'll try and answer them within a couple of days.